In today's video, we have an exciting lineup of top-notch vacuum cleaners that are ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine. In this video, we'll dive deep into 5 exceptional products offering powerful suction, lightweight design, and versatile features. Whether you're tackling hardwood floors, carpets, or pesky pet hair, we've got you covered. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Voeak Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Voeak Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool that will revolutionize the way you clean your home. With its lightweight design and powerful suction, this vacuum cleaner makes it easy to clean every nook and cranny of your house. This vacuum cleaner is a detachable battery. This allows you to easily swap out the battery for a fully charged one, extending your cleaning time without any interruptions. The self-standing design is also a convenient feature as it allows you to easily store the vacuum cleaner without additional support. With a 1.3L dust cup, this vacuum cleaner can hold a substantial amount of dirt and debris, reducing the frequency of emptying. Here are some pros. Lightweight design, powerful suction, detachable battery for extended cleaning time, self-standing feature for convenient storage, large 1.3L dust cup, and versatile 4-in-1 functionality. Cons. May require multiple passes on heavily soiled areas and limited runtime depending on the power setting. Number 2. VacMaster VSD1801 Cordless. The VacMaster VSD1801 cordless handheld and stick vacuum cleaner is a compact and powerful cleaning solution for your home. With its 2-in-1 design, you can easily switch between a handheld vacuum and a stick vacuum, providing versatility for different cleaning tasks. This vacuum cleaner features a rechargeable Li-ion battery, ensuring you have the power you need to clean your hardwood floors and carpets and tackle pesky pet hair. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver and carry around your home, while the compact design allows for convenient storage. The powerful suction ensures thorough cleaning, while the included attachments help you reach those difficult-to-clean areas. Here are some pros. 2-in-1 design for handheld and stick vacuum functionality, rechargeable Li-ion battery, lightweight and easy to maneuver, compact for convenient storage, powerful suction, ideal for hardwood floors, carpets, and pet hair. Cons. Limited battery life, may require frequent emptying of the dust cup. Number 3. DTK Vacuum Cleaner. This handheld vacuum cleaner is the perfect solution for those looking to replace their worn-out batteries. With a capacity of 5000 mAh and a voltage of 21.6 V, this battery offers reliable and long-lasting power for your Dyson V7 SV11 handheld vacuum cleaner. Designed to fit various Dyson models, including Motorhead Pro, Trigger, Animal, Car Plus Boat, Absolute, Fluffy, and Mattress Extra, this battery replacement ensures compatibility and seamless performance. It is easy to install and provides a reliable power source for your vacuum cleaner. Here are some pros. High capacity of 5000 mAh, voltage of 21.6 V, compatibility with various Dyson models, and easy installation. Cons. Only a replacement battery, does not include the vacuum cleaner itself. Number 4. Voeak Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Voeak Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile cleaning tool that offers exceptional performance and convenience. With its lightweight design and powerful suction, this vacuum cleaner makes cleaning your home, car, and even pet hair a breeze. Featuring 3 power modes, you can adjust the suction power to suit different cleaning needs. The LED display provides real-time information about the battery level and power mode, ensuring you have complete control over your cleaning sessions. With an impressive runtime of up to 45 minutes, this vacuum cleaner allows you to clean larger areas without interruptions. Here are some pros. Lightweight design, 3 power modes, LED display for real-time information, powerful suction, long runtime of up to 45 minutes, and versatile 6-in-1 functionality. Cons. May struggle with heavily soiled areas and may require multiple passes on certain surfaces. Number 5. INS Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The INS Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and lightweight cleaning solution for your home. With its 6-in-1 design, this vacuum cleaner offers versatility and convenience, allowing you to clean various surfaces with ease. Equipped with a 2200 mAh battery, this vacuum cleaner provides long-lasting power, offering up to 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge. This ensures you have ample time to clean your hard floors and carpets and tackle pet hair without interruptions. With its powerful suction, the INS Cordless Vacuum Cleaner effectively captures dirt, debris, and even fine particles. Here are some pros. 6-in-1 design for versatility, powerful suction, long runtime of up to 45 minutes, lightweight and easy to maneuver, ergonomic handle for comfortable grip. Cons: may struggle with heavily soiled areas and may require additional passes on certain surfaces.